Curry duck, Doksa masala. So amazing, especially with roti and white rice. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making curry duck. I bought my duck at a toko slash butcher, one of the freshest duck. They burn it to remove some excess hairs and make the flavor pop. So we're gonna use some oil. We're making a 3 kilo duck. We used about 16 garlic cloves chopped with some hot pepper and 2 big onions. We're gonna leave that fry. And oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Then we're gonna add 2 big bouillon cubes. Fry it up. Then we're gonna add salt to liking. I like to add salt, taste it, and add more if I have to. Add about 6 tablespoons of curry powder, 3 tablespoons of cumin powder, and fry it up. Make sure you have enough oil there so it can fry in it. And now we're gonna add our 3 kilograms of duck. Look at how fresh that meat is. You're gonna need some mussels to stir that. I really enjoyed watching my aunts cook on a chulha. That's like a big fire outside when they make duck. And you know it just tastes way better. Add your 2 big tomatoes. Then we're gonna add some celery. I used about 3 sticks of celery chopped. And then you cover it and you cook it on medium fire. When you hear or see it starts to boil, then you want to start stirring it. And back to the chulha story. We would watch it cook and it would cook so quick. We would eat with our hands, and something about eating with our hands is so amazing. So as you can see, we covered it up and we let it come to a boil. So a tip for people that really like it super duper spicy, you would want to taste your flavor, your sauce, and if it's not spicy enough, you just add some tomatoes and hot peppers in a blender. You chop it up and you add it to your pot. And the thing about duck, it's really hard, so if you have a pressure cooker, throw that in there. We decided to make it in a really big pot and then throw it into our pressure cooker and leave it pressure cook for about 15 minutes, and then you garnish with celery, and this is your amazing curry duck. Amazing with roti, amazing with white rice. It's just good. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.